Homework time. So for our assignment, I want you to start building something, and this is going to be in preparation for our very final assignment in this series. Our final assignment is going to be doing some kind of environment or object that's going to be, studded with a bunch of crazy details and insane stuff. But next lesson, we're going to be building a Greeble asset. So if you're not familiar with what a Greeble is, picture the Death Star from Star Wars. Basically a sphere with a bunch of crazy detailed stuff copied onto it. We're going to be showing you how to do that, and it's going to be using a completely different technique than what we've used here. So to do this, I want you to start thinking about building objects that are all cohesive and work together. And I want you to make somewhere around 8 to 10 low poly models that we're going to use as assets for this Greeble. We need good, clean topology, hopefully quads, because one thing that we can do with this asset is use it iteratively. We can actually Greeble on top of Greebles, so that we can add crazy complexity. Model should have some UVs and be kind of prepared for texturing, so that we've got that out of the way. And then also thinking about the final assignment, make sure everything feels like it's part of a whole. So just feel like you're using the same vocabulary with each of these models. When I talk about low poly, by the way, I'm thinking somewhere between 20 to 200 polys per object. We can't use some of the things that we did in this lesson with instancing in order to make it render more efficiently. We're actually going to end up with real geometry here, so just be conservative. And then extra credit. If you're really feeling like you've got the hang of Houdini, or you just want a big challenge, I want to challenge you to figure out a procedural system that's going to make these models for you, where all you have to do is change a random seed value and you get a completely different model that, again, still feels like it's all part of the same thing. So this should be a pretty interesting homework assignment. Shouldn't hopefully take too long, but we're going to have a lot of fun in the next lesson. So good luck, and I'll see you soon.